The Indian judiciary has significantly expanded the scope of socio-economic rights through landmark cases. In Kesavananda Bharati v. State of Kerala, 1973, the judiciary established the basic structure doctrine, ensuring judicial review safeguards fundamental rights. Menaka Gandhi v. Union of India, 1978, broadened personal liberty under Article 21, setting due process standards. Similarly, Olga Tellis v. Bombay Municipal Corporation, 1985, recognized the right to livelihood, while Parmanand Katara v. Union of India, 1989, affirmed emergency healthcare as a fundamental right. Education as a socio-economic right evolved through Miss Mohini Jain v. State of Karnataka AA, 1992, and Unni Krishnan v. State of Andhra Pradesh, 1993, leading to the Right to Education Act, 2009. PILs like Bandhua Mukti Morcha v. Union of India, 1984, addressed bonded labor, and the PUCL v. Union of India, Right to Food case, ensured government accountability for food security. Balancing Rights and Principles, Minerva Mills Ltd v. Union of India, 1980, harmonized fundamental rights and directive principles, while IR Coelho v. State of Tamil Nadu, 2007, examined the ninth schedule, reinforcing the judiciary's role in socio-economic justice. The judiciary in India plays an essential role in the protection and enforcement of socio-economic rights, an area that has evolved significantly through judicial interpretation of the Constitution, particularly Article 21, and judicial review of state actions. These rights, although not explicitly mentioned in the Fundamental Rights chapter of the Constitution, have been brought under the umbrella of Article 21's right to life by the judiciary, transforming it into a powerful tool for ensuring dignity and quality of life for all citizens. In a federal system, the judiciary also performs a critical function as the guardian of the Constitution and as an impartial umpire in disputes between the center and the states, and among the states themselves. This role underscores its independence and its commitment to maintaining constitutional harmony.